Hello and welcome to an FPGA vision video. In this video we implement our video generator from previous lectures on an FPGA using our remote lab. And that's quite straightforward, so I will show you the design flow. There's only one big mistake that you can make, and I will show you that at the end of the video. All the code can be found on GitHub. And if you need help in setting up the software, there is a lecture that explains the installation and use of the design flow. The required files are in the subdirectory VHDL. You extract them to a working directory, and then you can choose between different FPGAs. We choose the Cyclone 4. And in the constraints file, you find the device that's available in the remote lab. Then you set up a project in the Quartus design software. New project wizard. Choose your working directory. And the name of the project is Video Generator. Add files to the project. We select all files and we add the timing and the design file. They are now in the directory, and here we choose our FPGA. This is the Cyclone 4. And here we have the name from the constraints file. Select and finish. Now there's one important thing that you have to remember, and this is to assign the pin assignments. So assignments, import assignments, and here you select the constraints for the Cyclone 4. Now you can compile the design, and in a few seconds your design is completed. Everything is okay, and here you see the FPGA resources that are used for your design. And now you can upload the FPGA design on the remote lab. Here is our webpage. Access remote lab. Here we are. You can register for free. If you have an account, you log in with your username. And then you choose the Cyclone 4. This is the video experiment that allows live video. You reserve the experiment, and now you have access to the FPGA. Here you select the binary that has been generated. It's an SOF file. Open, upload and start experiment. And here we have the output of the video generator. As expected, a gray background, 2 squares, the green square is moving. So there's one thing that can go wrong, and then you see in the remote lab the output no signal. And nearly always the reason for that is that you did not include the pin constraints. So you have here a critical warning: no pin locations, assignments, assignment editor. This is empty. So probably you did not do assignments, import assignments. Now you can do some experiments with the video generator. You can change the color, the position, and the size of the squares and other squares and rectangles. You can also use the switches on the input enable in to change the colors depending on the switch. And a little bit more complex is to change the movement of the green square to also going back or going right, down, left, up. This requires a small state machine. And a more advanced experiment would be to generate a complex image, for example, like a test card of a TV station. So I wish you good luck with your experiments.